Hi boys and girls, I'm back for part 2 because I did not get a chance. My hands were all messy and I just wanted to clean them up. So I do want you to do some recording today. So if you need to pause the video, just pause the video, get a blank sheet of paper, or if you have one of these from last week, I did send your parents another copy of it, I believe, and you can just photocopy the one from last week, or just write on a blank sheet of paper. So our observations, remember, we're using our 5 senses to do observations. Of course, you have to rely on what I'm smelling and what I'm feeling if I'm touching something, because you're not actually doing the experiment, but you're gonna have to rely on my words to help you. So ocean in a bottle is the experiment. Ocean in a bottle. I hope that you liked it. I love the color. Looks like the tropics somewhere. It's very, very blue, but very beautiful. Can't really see the shells in it, but they're in there. So I see sand and blue water. I hear, what do you hear? I hear shells. I hear shells hitting the side of the container. So I hear shells. So I see sand and blue water. I hear the shells moving inside the bottle. So when I turn it upside down, right side up, I hear the shells, okay? Taste, I'm not gonna taste anything. Okay, it's not edible. I smell the baby oil, because baby oil has a very, very distinct smell. Let's see if I can open it. Oh. Yeah, it smells really, really good. Okay, it smells like baby oil. I smell baby oil. Okay. Now, the shells, when I conducted the experiment, remember, you can make any observations before, during, or after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch some of the shells that are inside the bottle again, okay? So the shells, some of them are smooth, okay? Smooth on one side, rough on the other. Smooth, some are smooth, and some are rough and sharp edges. They have sharp edges, the shells. These in particular have sharp edges. See if I can find one that's, ooh, this one's definitely smooth. Very, very smooth. So what I feel is rough and smooth shells. Okay. All right, so the baby oil, rough and smooth shells. You can try, let's try to draw the shells a little bit. I'm gonna look at it. Flat, and it goes in, kind of fans out with the lines. And I'm going to label it rough. Then I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to label it, I kind of have a fat marker so it doesn't write that neatly. I hear the shells moving back and forth, and I see, I am going to make the blue bottle, that blue, so it looks the same. It's almost like a teal. So that's a mixture of blue and green. So the water inside. Boys and girls, I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished, Lainey and Mikey. Shh. Okay. All right, so I put the bluish green inside the bottle. So the topic is ocean in a bottle. I see sand and blue water. I hear shells moving inside the bottle, and I smell baby oil. I feel rough and smooth shells. So if you need to pause the video, you can do so now. Take your notes just like a scientist, recording away, because that's what scientists do. Bye, boys and girls.